being a little bit country, a little bit rock and roll, a little bit European, a little bit American. You are an American.
Yes.
You were born here, born in New York, the world's city, if you will.
Yeah.
But you've been in Houston much of your life. You're a first-generation American. Tell us that. Tell us the story of what you were just singing about and your family's history and how you get a song like Uchilino out of it.
So, my parents, both of them are immigrants, and the music that I make, I call it immigrant American folk music because it's not authentic Italian music, it's not authentic Eastern European music, but it's authentic immigrant music in that it's a little bit of everything and it's authentically from somewhere else no matter where you are. So I find it funny that when I'm here in the United States, every time I introduce myself to someone and they ask me where I'm from, I tell them I'm from New York. In reality, I'm from Houston. I feel like I'm more from Houston than I am from New York. But then the immediate question after that is, no, I mean really, like where are you really from? And that always happens to me here, and I find it funny because whenever I go to Europe, like for example, I was in Europe just recently, where I was speaking to someone and they said, your accent is so American. I love how American you sound. You're so American. And in Texas, do they have cowboys and do they have country music? And for them, I am America, but when I'm here, I am anything but.